Hey friends, we are back for another video. Welcome, my name is Kendra. This week my family and I are eating from the Plantifully Lean Cookbook by Kiki Nelson. You may know her on YouTube as Plantifully Kiki. So I have actually used her weekly food plan. I put all the page numbers on here, just a quick reference. So I thought that was a good addition. And then all I did was actually write down all the meals, again with the page numbers, and then all the ingredients and products that I needed for my shop this week. So in total for the shop, I did buy some things obviously that weren't on the plan as well, just for like kids' lunches and things like that. And in total, I spent $140 at the fruit and veg shop and $100 at Aldi. So I am just prepping for the week now. So first I'm going to prep my breakfast. I have been doing this for honestly so many years, but I just eat overnight oats. So just half a cup of oats, half a cup of blueberries. I use a half a cup of soy milk and a half a cup of water. I pop in a little bit of cinnamon, and I usually have ground flaxseed or linseeds, but I need to actually grind some up, so I'll do that too. Okay, so that is breakfast all sorted for the week for myself. Also making Kiki's very famous cheese sauce, so I'm going to make that in a mini. And also just prep some other sauces for the week as well. Let me show you my fridge beforehand. Absolutely empty AF. That's probably why it was expensive too, because we haven't really done a big top-up shop for a long time actually. Yeah, so it was very, very empty, and now it's nice and full.